Hello, and thank you for your attention. I'm Paula, co-founder of Rime Systems, a venture working to protect people worldwide from extreme temperatures. You see, regions across the globe are already reaching dangerously high temperatures every year. While it's easy in Colorado to escape to buildings with air conditioning during the summer, many people worldwide have to work in oppressive heat. High temperatures can put our health, even our lives at risk, and it's even more dangerous in places with high humidity. Already, 2.4 billion people are living in areas exposed to deadly heat and humidity. Climate change is only exacerbating the problem. While this affects all kinds of people, workers in certain industries are most severely impacted. In heavy industries like construction and mining, workers endure hours of physical labor in oppressive temperatures, experiencing heat exhaustion in the form of nausea, loss of concentration, and even fainting. This impacts their health as much as their company's productivity. Workers in humanitarian aid and military personnel experience similar conditions with the added challenges of responding to crises, often with little water or shade. In extreme cases, heat exhaustion can cause long-lasting brain damage or even take lives. So, galvanized into action by the severe problem, Rime Systems has been working persistently on a solution. Our personal cooling vest offers immediate and portable relief from high temperatures, and it's very easy to use. Any worker in need of cooling would put on the thin vest and adjust it with the shoulder and side straps. What you see on the back is an enclosure holding the novel electronic system our team has engineered. Hidden within the back of the vest is a cooling layer that's activated when the electronics are turned on. This layer pulls heat away from the user, cooling them down as they continue their work. The electronics include batteries that last over 2 hours, protecting the user from peak temperatures or helping them recover from heat exhaustion. We're currently finalizing and testing a functional prototype ideal for industry, and we'll continue developing the product for military and humanitarian applications where organizations have told us of their need and desire to pilot our product. Unlike alternatives like air conditioning, our vest is fully portable. Since it doesn't rely on water and evaporation, it also works in high humidity. It doesn't require either resources like water, refrigerants, or even continuous electricity, since it can be charged with off-grid generators and solar chargers that we know are used in the field. Considering the huge scale of this problem, we've identified a total market of $49 billion, representing the thermal protective equipment for heavy industry, aid, and military personnel. With an initial focus on industry in the United States, we've identified an immediate opportunity of $820 million. It's a need that has not only been validated by labor and climate experts, but also by our team after talking to 29 stakeholders. To reach our users, we're moving forward with a B2B model, where we sell directly in bulk to large clients, who then distribute the vest to their own workers. Our current price point is $500, which is appropriate considering some of our target clients currently spend more than this to treat one case of heat exhaustion. To ensure our systems are kept in their best shape, we're also including a recurring maintenance service for $60 per unit per year. To validate our product, our focus this summer is developing a second prototype to test out in the field. We will have our first sales in the fall, keeping manufacturing local, and we aim to take production offshore by the fall of 2023, growing in sales and improving our product. And by fall of 2025, we will expand to military and humanitarian markets, incorporating product and business model innovations. Based on this plan, our objective is to raise $250,000 for our first year of operations, break even in year 2, and grow through large volume sales to reach $12.5 million in net profit by year 5. And our work is only possible because of our team's strengths. While we're all mechanical engineers with electrical and cooling experience, we have business, marketing, and humanitarian experience too. Our mentors and advisors complement this with expertise in marketing, finance and business development, engineering and manufacturing, and economic development. But at the end of the day, what Rime Systems truly represents is the opportunity for safe and dignified work in extreme environments. Thank you for your support as we do just that.